What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So let's go see if this whole water pump thing works. As you guys know, so this video I'm going to try to make the water pump in the toy hauler quieter. A lot of things that I've read have said it is the actual lines that are shaking or smacking something. That's where the noise comes into play. I'm going to show you what I got. We're going to go wrap it. We're going to see if this actually works. But what we're going to do, also I will let you guys know and reveal the new car, but just not just yet for all the RC guys out there. But what we're going to do is, where'd it go? I have a decibel meter in here. And we're going to, here it is, and we're going to see the decibels before and after to see if it actually makes a difference where we can see it, or, you know, where we can barely tell a difference and, you know, it's not worth it, the time and the labor. So I'm going to show you what I got and we'll go try it out. Alright, so we're going to wrap the lines with this green tubing right here. I mean, you could probably almost just use one of those, you know, those little things in the pool. You stick in the pool and you blow the water or whatever they're for to sit on. That's pretty much what this looks like. I think this is just a little thicker and a little softer. So, and then we're going to do a decibel test also before and after. We're going to go turn the water pump on, but we're going to grab a blade so we can cut this, and then we will head out to the ding ding and see what happens. Now for this, guys, we're going to be testing it on this 2020 Attitude trailer. We're going to be testing it in the kitchen because that's where the water pump is on this thing. It is in the bottom shelf over here. And also, for you guys wondering, Eddie, how's the trailer? Is it fixed? No, it is still not fixed. The slide is still, bedroom slide is still stuck open. Still waiting on Eclipse or Attitude or whoever the hell is supposed to send the parts, and the guy here to fix it. So, you know, clearly Eclipse doesn't move very fast when your stuff breaks on a toy hauler. Okay, let's kick on this water pump. You can hear that. Thing's pretty dang loud. I mean, it's just kind of annoying when it's like midnight or 1 in the morning. You just want to like wash your hands. You got to hear that thing the whole time. Okay, so we're going to hook the decibel meter up. And I'm not going to put it all the way down there because obviously you're not standing there. You're standing right here. We're going to just put it here. Okay, so with the water splashing here, I'll call that 70. Now we're gonna see if we can get the water, just a pump to kick on, but yeah, I don't think I think it's just gonna splash. Here, let's try this. We're gonna put it in there. Oh no. No, I think it's gonna stay at 70, guys. We're gonna have to just hear this water. I guess let's take another test down here just to see if it quiets it up a little bit. So it looks like here it's 63. .7 to 64 down here where the pump is. I mean, by just lifting this off the floor, it gets quieter. You hear that? I mean, just lifting it, it's getting quieter. So let's see what happens when we put this bad boy on. Alright, guys, there you go. So we have wrapped this line, that line, and that inner line in there. This one I'm going to have to get like a zip tie right here and just tie it inside right there so it don't pop off. But other than that, all of the water lines are on. So, or all the water lines are wrapped with the old little green cushiony. So now let's see. I'm going to turn the water on. I think we set 64 down here. I'm going to turn it on. Let's see if it changes or if it was the same thing. All right, not bad. Well, I gotta say, guys, it did quiet up a little bit. Not like a crazy amount, but it went at Blazeville 64 to about 59 to 60, so not a crazy amount. But the stuff, you know, does work. Now, you know, is it enough? Let's see up here. Let's see. So I will say one thing. I don't feel the dang crazy vibration that your feet. Usually, I you know, turn this on, and the whole floor would be shaking like this. So let's see what it is right here. It was at 70. Let's see if it changed. Probably going to be the same. So it looks like the, if you put it over here, it gets a little quieter, but it looks like that water is picking up at 70. So it looks like, guys, that stuff does work. Just get in. I mean, you don't have to use this. You can use anything. I would get one of those little noodles, and it's pretty much the same thing. Cut the noodle, wrap it around the water lines. You know, all I really did was just get the water lines off of the floor, so they're not, you know, smacking down on the floor. That's, like I said, it was vibrating the crap out of this floor. Well, guys, I mean, I will say, is it worth it? You know, going. I mean, it wasn't much trouble, but if you wanna, you know, is it worth dealing with this? You know, for me, I'd say no. I'm never even in here, and you know, if somebody, because the pump is here, not near the bed, if somebody, you know, wakes up at night, needs to wash their hands or something, or even in that bathroom, you don't hear the pump. For some people, if they're sleeping, you know, I don't know, on this couch or something over here on the bed, then the pump could be annoying. It depends on your situation. For me, was it worth it? Went down like 4 or 5 decibels? Not really. So I guess it's up to you guys to see, you know, if you could do it, try and see. If you ultimately, you know, want to get it quiet, not want to hear it, I would pull this out and put it, you know, down below, under the motor home or your toy hauler. Or, you know, you can find it, don't have to go under, find a new placement for it. There's a bunch of places to put these things. And a little update for you guys. Some of you guys want to see the track. Kept asking me, Eddie, how's the track, man? We haven't seen anything, no races going on. We did a couple of them yesterday, but we are still, you know, trying to clean it up, getting all the loose stuff out, you know, watering it, soaking it. But she's pretty much done. And hopefully, you know, we can get some blue grooves in this bad boy, and you know, get it nice and clean, because that's the key. Is right now some of the stuff is still a little loose with the water. You know, it gets nice. It's nice tack. We sprinkled a little concrete. That's about it right now. That section's looking good. This section is really good. This section you surprisingly hook up good. You know, I don't know if it's because there's too much rock in it. This is, you know, a section right here that we want to not get rid of, but fix. Get all this rock and everything out of it. And, you know, ultimately, if we can, you know, find some clay. Bring some clay in here, and I'll make it, you know, perfect. And stay tuned, guys. I know some of you guys have DM me asking what's going on with the trailer, with the solar and all that. The solar is on its way, actually. And also for my RC guys, so like I said, these 2 cars are retiring. Say goodbye. We will no longer be using these anymore. Well, I do love this car. They're still very, very fun to drive because it's all-wheel drive 8 scale. But it's kind of unfair for the race that we're going to be racing at the house, because this thing is so fast and it's kind of like cheating. So we all agreed on 10 scale. The B5 here is not going to be used no more. We got a new car right over there, but I can't show you yet. If you guys are interested, comment down below and I'll let you know the new car. But it's pretty nice. I will say, shout out Tyler Hicks. Thank you. He hooked me up with that thing and made it flawless and gave me like parts, like every single pretty much part for this car. I mean, it's just a bag, full bag of parts for that thing. So luckily, if we break, we have plenty of parts here. But we got pretty much everybody buying new cars. Genesis Detailing bought a new car. His brother Vic bought a new car. My brother bought a new car. So everybody's just buying new cars over here. So we're gonna get some RC footage for you guys, because a lot of you guys have been asking me. You know, they used to hang out right up there. Well, now we replaced it with a humidor and an Xbox. And I don't know what the hell kind of bug that is right there. What are you, dude? What is that thing? I don't even know why that's, all right. I don't know what you're doing to my wall in my garage, but we're gonna have to fix this 1 second. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.